All right, we're back to the land. It's been a week. They scheduled me for today, August 5th, and they will be here 1 o'clock. The guy who will help me for the concrete, probably they will be a little early. I hope they show up. I never met them. I never talked to them. They said they're coming. They are the one actually set for the concrete company with me, but I'm here early a little bit, so I'm planning to clean some grass here to figure out where I'm gonna put the greenhouse. And yeah, I'm here. They start. I'm not gonna do a lot of work today. Mostly I'm just gonna watch them to pour in the concrete. My goal is today just to clean up this part so I can mark where I'm gonna put the greenhouse. And also I'm gonna move this to all the way to the other side so the concrete truck can come in. Yeah, it's been a 1 week. Looks like everything still the same. I don't see any problem. And it's gonna be put the concrete here, level it, and this one, I don't know how many people they will be here, but it's not a really big job. I don't think it will take them more than a couple hours. I could have do it myself, but buying the new equipment and hire the 1 or 2 guy to help me, labor is gonna be almost the same price. So I decided to let them do it, and while they're doing it, I'm just gonna work on the spot where I'm gonna put the greenhouse. All right, let's start it. All right, I've been here like an hour. I cut this side with the Honda trim. I use this Honda trim, and the blade is unbelievable. It cuts really good. So I cut completely this side as much as I can. I clean this side. I think I'm gonna put the greenhouse here. I think so. So the guy brought me some gravel. They call it crushed gravel. So this is gonna be the base for the greenhouse. I put the clothes so it's easy to take it from here and lay it here and level it. The mobile home is on the way, so I don't think I can go that far. I can go that way, so it's gonna be, has to be here. So we're just gonna lay the gravel here, level it, and then this is the where we're gonna place the gravel. So this is the forms we're done. That one done 2 weeks ago. This one's done 1 week ago. And hopefully my neighbor made a deal with the concrete guys there. He said his friends, and I don't know what time they're gonna show up because the cement will be here 1 o'clock. So I'm assuming they will be here before cement comes over here. And then I move the trailer all the way to the other side, so he's not on the way when the truck come in. So I'm ready waiting. While I'm waiting, maybe I can trim this side a little bit more. I don't want to do too much because today I'm gonna go with the trailer. When I come back next time, I will come with the tractor. when I have a tractor, the cut over here is gonna be super easy. So I don't want to waste, not to waste, but let's see, maybe I can do this side. Alright, we got the gravel. I didn't record it. I'm still learning. It's like the guy come over here, I tried to write a check for him and try to show it to him where he's supposed to put, and then completely forget about the recording. So this is the stuff we got. So this looks like it's a good one. It's better than the last one. It's looking really good stuff. I think it's more than I need. It's okay, I can use for this side. And also I'm gonna need some of this gravel for here. After the put the concrete, I want to put some ramp gravel here, so when I push back the mobile home, so it can go on the concrete pad easy. And my goal is the guy who's gonna deliver my shed and greenhouse, I'm assuming he has a really strong truck, so I'm gonna clean over here, so maybe pay him extra a little bit so he can push this on the concrete for me, because I don't think my van is a real wheel, so I don't think it's strong enough to push this on the concrete. But if you have to, we have to try it. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the people to do the concrete pad, so all I have to do is just wait. Low spot, I guess. Start back. I want to show it to my wife.
I know it's my normal job. I haven't stopped sweating like this since my night out. Been outside in the sauna every day. Next time we down towards bed, it's good. What's that, boss? Next time we down towards bed, good. Good.
Okay, we finished it and rain started as my luck as always. If you put the cover on it, I don't know how much this rain is gonna damage. He said it should be okay. The guy who did the concrete, we tried to cover it as much as possible and it's raining really hard, so I'm hoping that it doesn't damage the concrete. We're finished it. Took like 2 hours, and what happened is I think the calculation was wrong, so we were short, so up to here didn't finish it. So what he did is he just scraped the sides a little bit and then he covered this side, so this became all the sides is been scraped. He's supposed to be the down up to this level. It's not, it's just like maybe 1 or 2 inches down the corners, not the middle, but the corner is a little lower than it's supposed to be. So that's a bad calculation, but it's finished and raining hard. Time to go home.